friends, time for a technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened with a gap up today and continued to gain strength throughout the day and ended the day with a 97-point gain on the Nifty. The advance decline ratio was pretty impressive. The market breadth was 1160 advances to a 386 declines. The mid cap index and the small cap index were up by 1.5% each in today's trading session. Bajaj Auto, HDFC and Ultratech Cement were some of the stocks which closed in the negative today with marginal losses. On the flip side, ICICI Bank, Reliance Axis, L&T, IDFC were some of the major gainers in trade today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has closed above the crucial resistance of the 20-day simple moving average. It has also closed above the downward sloping resistance trend line. Now considering these two factors, we have changed our short-term trend to up with a target of 8050 on the upside. 8050 is the upwards this resistance trend line. We feel that the current rise in the Nifty is very sharp for it to be called as a retracement. We expect this current rally or positive momentum on the upside to continue. The daily momentum indicator is also showing some signs of strength as it has now started to curve on the upside. So if in coming trading sessions we continue with the positive momentum, the momentum indicator shall also give a positive crossover. Now moving on to the hourly chart of Nifty, we can observe that the Nifty has closed above the crucial resistance trend line, closing above the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, and the hourly momentum indicator is having a positive crossover. We expected a certain amount of bounce from the lows of 74.20 on the downside to the upside. However, the bounce is extremely sharp, and such bounces are not just retracements, they can extend its move on the upside. So considering these factors, we have changed our short-term trend to up with a target of 8050 on the upside, and the reversal is placed at 7420 on the downside. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has taken support at the previous swing low and has started moving up. Today was the third consecutive trading session in which the Bank Nifty has moved up. It has closed above the 20 and 40 daily moving averages, which is extremely a positive sign for the markets in the short term. We expect the current rally can take the Bank Nifty up till 15,370 and 15,450 on the upside. Crucial supports are placed at 15,105 and 14,900. So overall friends, in today's trading session, considering the sharp move that we have seen in today's trading session, we have changed the short-term trend from down to up with a target of 8050 on the upside. Traders can build onto their long positions, positional traders can build onto their long positions on the upside with the reversal of 7420 on the downside. That's all for the day. Thank you.